Hey there, holiday lovers! Ready to dive into the magic of Christmas in London? Well, grab a cozy blanket and a cup of cocoa, because I'm about to take you on a festive adventure through the city's most enchanting spots. First up, you can't miss the iconic winter wonderland in Hyde Park. Picture this: twinkling lights, a massive ice rink, and the smell of roasted chestnuts in the air. It's a winter carnival where you can indulge in festive treats, hop on thrilling rides, and even visit Santa's grotto. Trust me, it's like stepping into a Christmas fairy tale. Next, let's head over to Covent Garden. This place is Christmas Central. You'll be greeted by a giant sparkling Christmas tree and stunning decorations everywhere you look. Don't forget to check out the street performers and pop-up shops for some unique holiday gifts. Oh, and the mulled wine? Absolutely divine. Now, if you're all about those Instagrammable moments, Carnaby Street is a must-visit. Every year, they go all out with their Christmas lights display. Each year, it's a different theme, and it's always spectacular. Perfect for a festive photo op. Feeling chilly? Warm up with a visit to some of London's charming Christmas markets. South Bank Centre Winter Market, Leicester Square Market, and Greenwich Christmas Market are just a few spots where you can find handcrafted gifts, delicious food, and a cozy, festive atmosphere. It's the perfect way to soak up the Christmas spirit. All right, if you're a fan of ice skating, you're in for a treat. London has some of the most picturesque ice rinks, like the one at the Natural History Museum. Skating here, surrounded by beautiful architecture and twinkling lights, is pure magic. And for another scenic skating experience, check out the rink at Somerset House. It's like gliding through a winter wonderland. For a dose of culture, catch a Christmas show or pantomime in the West End. From classic productions like A Christmas Carol to whimsical pantomimes, there's something for everyone. It's a fantastic way to get into the holiday spirit and experience London's vibrant theater scene. Finally, let's not forget the Christmas shopping. Oxford Street and Regent Street are brilliantly lit up and full of bustling stores. You can't help but feel the festive cheer as you wander through the beautifully decorated windows and hunt for the perfect gifts. So there you have it, folks. London at Christmas is truly magical, and these spots are sure to fill you with holiday joy. Whether you're ice skating, shopping, or just soaking in the festive vibes, London has it all. Thanks for joining me on this Christmas tour, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more holiday adventures. Happy holidays!